The Mould King 1TEL11113 race car is an engaging building kit featuring 1,471 pieces that provide a satisfying and enjoyable assembly experience. With its 1:16 scale, this model sports car impresses with its realistic design, including functional doors and an opening front hood revealing a detailed V8 engine. This model is a perfect decorative piece for classic car enthusiasts, offering an exquisite representation of a race car's intricate details. Constructing this model not only provides entertainment, but also enhances creativity, hands-on skills, and imagination through its mechanical features. The Mould King 113 race car is an ideal gift for both children and adults, promoting spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving skills. This model kit is perfect for building enthusiasts who appreciate the combination of challenge and artistry in creating a detailed and collectible sports car model.